In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Slack is a fantastic tool for collaborating with your team, and sharing files is a key part of that. So, let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open your web browser and head over to the Slack website. Once you're there, sign in using your email, or if you prefer, you can easily log in using your Google or Apple account. It's pretty straightforward. Once you're signed in, you'll want to select the specific workspace where you intend to share your file. This is important because different teams might have different workspaces, and you want to make sure you're in the right one. Now that you're in your workspace, let's choose the correct channel where you actually want to post your file. Look for your workspace name at the top of the screen. Click on that to view the list of available channels. Is there a specific channel where your team communicates? Find it and go ahead and click on it. This is the Discussions Hub where your colleagues can see the file you're about to share. Next up, it's time to upload the file. Look below the message text field and you should see a small plus sign or a plus icon. Click on that. A menu will pop up with options. Choose Upload from your computer. This will allow you to browse through your files. Find the file you want to share, click on it to select it, and then hit Open. Now here's a little optional step for you. If you want to provide some context to your team, think about adding a comment or a note in the text box. This can be anything from a brief description of what the file is about to why you're sharing it. It helps everyone understand the purpose behind the file. Once you're happy with your comment, it's time to send the file. Just click on the Send button, and voila! Your file is now uploaded to the channel where your teammates can view and access it. But wait, what if you want to share this file with someone specifically, or even outside of Slack? No problem. Once the file is uploaded, hover over it and look for a share icon. Click on that, and you'll have the option to type the names of specific people you want to give access to. Alternatively, you can also copy a shareable link to send outside of Slack if that's necessary. This is a great way to ensure everyone who needs access gets it, no matter where they are. After you've made your selections and are ready to go, just click on the Forward option and you're done. It's that simple. So there you have it. Sharing files in Slack is easy and efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider liking and subscribing for more.